So hello guys, today we'll be watching how you connect your Cloud AI to your Canva. Let's just begin. Open your cloud. Okay. Then you have to go to the left sidebar. Then click the customize. After clicking the customize, then click the connector. After connecting the connector, click the plus icon. Then browse connector. You can search here Canva. So here is a Canva. So here is a plus icon use is my is not commit because I already connect. So it's something like plus icon you can see. After clicking the plus icon, it will be asked you to access the permission. Then you just access the permission. Then it will be done. That's it. Nothing to do it. And after connecting, this interface will be called. Here you can control everything. So let's go and make our first design. So just write the can first and then call this space, then paste this track. Click enter. After prompt, I will be give you in the description section. After we have to wait few seconds and few waves. So here is our result is come, and we have to let's say just click this design. And here you can, right top side, you can see the opening Canva, and it open link. After clicking, you will transfer you to the Canva design. And here you can edit the text by clicking changing in text. Here you can select